Bulk selection is a really quick and easy way to select all of the boards within a certain radius of a key area or point of interest. So you can see I've got these two regions here. One of them is our office address, and the other is just the centre of Brisbane. If I had a list of addresses that I was interested in, I could load those up here, or I could just type it in here as well. So let's just say the Gold Coast. And now we've added another target radius down here. Now, in terms of the size of that radius, that can be anything down to 100 meters all the way up to 10 kilometers. And you judge this based on how far you think your audience is going to travel or what sort of budget constraints you might have. So I would say probably about 2 kilometers is what I would expect for a super local audience to travel on the day-to-day. Now you can see here that we have 597 boards, which would cost about $1,000 per hour. And what I'm going to do now is refine that selection so that it's more targeted towards my audience or towards my product. So let's say that I am selling a food product, and I can sell that at gas stations, convenience stores, and grocery stores. And that's going to significantly limit the number of boards available within those areas. So you can sort of see there are 23 boards now, and it's only $21 per hour. If I was happy to go ahead with that, I would just hit save and continue now, but I can also review the selection as well and make sure there's no board in here that doesn't make sense for my campaign. No, let's remove those ones. So now you can see we only have the 20 boards.